I'm Professor Joseph Sobel, the director of the George Ewart Evans Center for Storytelling. All that we do is create partnerships with agencies and individuals in the community who are working on various issues, from the personal to the community to the struggle for a sustainable future. And we help to facilitate them telling their stories. The RICE project came to us, and we started working with this very diverse community of scientists and engineers.
The RICE project is a partnership between industry, USW, the Hydrogen Research Centre at Baglan, and the Energy Safety Research Institute Centre over at Swansea. So there's a lot of moving parts to this project.
The RICE project is about a circular economy in which waste products become generators for new products. They're not simply released.
The storytelling aspect really is key to bringing together all these different strands, helping people to understand their place in it, how it's going to affect them, and humanizing it.
The uses of storytelling as a social tool is widespread. There are really no limits to the kinds of alliances that we can make.
When I started working for the health service, at that time there was a massive backlog of complaints. People who hadn't had their complaints dealt with or listened to. We trained lots of frontline staff to become storytellers and record stories with patients and edit them and create digital stories. We got the training accredited at master's level by the centre, so it's been really helpful in terms of people consolidating their training and actually turning the training into practice. None of it would have happened without the George Ewart Evans Centre for Storytelling. I really, really value the academic input that I get from the centre.